Hello guys, this is Mike,
And this is Ashley.
and here again we're going to unpack two items, and these are
Controllers, napalo na daw.
these are um, cases for gamepad controllers.
Yeah, that's it.
So let's proceed to unpack further on these items. So Ashley, can you unpack the other one?
Okay, so keep away. Yay, I'm the first one to finish it.
So here are the first impressions. This one is our favorite EVA texture, very
Yeah.
rugged.
Mm-hmm.
This one feels more
Soft. Softer.
soft, yeah, and a bit of cloth. Rather than this one, it's a bit not rugged, a bit. Can you feel that, Ashley?
Yeah, it's actually smooth one. I'd rather touch this kind of texture because it's like easy to grip for me.
Or I'm a bit confident that this will be more durable regarding its.
Durability. So it's up to durability. I'm up for, you know, the grip or
Mhm.
the touch, the feels. I don't know. Anyway, so this one is a bit smoother than the other one. So both of these are cases for controllers. This one is
Specifically for PS4
mm-hmm,
or PlayStation gamepads, and this one is
this is a generic case for controllers.
different gamepads such as Xbox and yeah, other gamepads.
Okay. Okay. So this one is already open. So let's try to check it out again. The texture is smoother than the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but it's also hard. So I think this is durable as well. It's just that this one is smoother. Anyway,
Yeah, I think this will I mean the outer layer or this texture will deteriorate faster.
I don't think so. But anyway,
Maybe.
let's possible. But I think it's up to the user. So this is how it would look like.
Okay, so we see here the like a generic size or shape of the controller,
Controller. Yeah.
and then at the top part, you can put
Pocket.
your cables or anything here.
Yeah, money or wires, whatever you want. It's a pocket anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So that's pretty much it for the generic one and this one. Um, okay, so for
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 the
comparison,
size comparison, this one is looks a bit larger
yeah.
than
Okay.
this. See there.
So the PS4 case is a bit larger than the generic one. So let's check it out.
Okay. So shall we?
Yeah, you open it.
Okay. So still, I'm really comfortable with this texture on my part.
I could use neither. I mean, either, should I say. So, okay, so this is a foamy thing, and this is,
Cut out from PS4.
yeah, so, okay, so it's removable.
Yes, it's removable if you want. If you don't, if you're going to use it on different purpose.
Yeah, you can too. So, though the cutout is made solely for PS4, you can remove it and put other things, some that, well, whatever that it fits on this one, on this case. And, oh, this one is softer. I don't know how, what they call this, but it's cottony something. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not really used for textures, and yeah.
Can you see that marks? Look, if I put it this way, it goes like that. If I put it this way, it goes like that. See?
Yeah.
So I think you know this type of texture on some furnitures, like, or maybe on pillows or on sofa,
Pillows.
in sofa. So I forgot what is this called.
Yeah, it's like it's soft and I like it. I don't know as well, but anyway, so on the other hand, oh, it's also same here, but not as much as softer as this one. Okay.
Okay. Still, it's hard, such as the other one.
So
Okay.
in terms of the um, outer thing, the Eva, he actually prefer it
Okay. So let's try
to fit in the controllers.
controllers. So we have here our PS4 controller with the Dobe. If you remember this one and on our previous unboxing or unpacking,
That's actually where you put in the phone here.
insert link.
Yeah, so you can click on the link if you want to see it again.
Okay, so let's see if along with this one it will fit.
I don't think so, but yeah.
So there, and unfortunately, oh, fortunately, it
It can.
somehow.
So it works out. So
Very cool. So, but let us try to.
close it. No.
Uh, it's too bulky for the clamp.
Can you adjust this or no? Oh, not anymore.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, so it's really meant for PS4 controllers. So you need to remove whatever extras you have in the controller so that it can fit on this case or on this box or yeah box case.
Okay. So, for the meantime, or maybe we can fit again this controller on the
The generic one.
generic one. So, let's see. Okay, it somehow it
It fits, but I'm not so sure if you can. Nah, as well.
it's a bit flexible, but
No, you cannot close it totally. I think you can try, but
let's see. Oh, very protective zipper. You can't see the zipper
that's
layer.
um.
I think it's very hard to
No,
close.
don't. You
Yeah.
might destroy the one inside. Okay.
Okay. So, and just for fitting another.
Controller that we have.
Yep. So we have this Steelseries controller. This is meant for iOS. If you're interested with this, so let's try to fit this in. So
Okay.
looks like this one. So it's a bit yeah, it's a bit
What bulky?
bulky at this part. It's a bit elevated from here, but I guess you can close this one.
Yeah. Okay.
There.
Yep. So you can close it. It works on that one. We can put in the other one, but we just have to remove the one on top or any extras on the controller. So this actually looks good.
It's a good design, but for durability wise, you would prefer this one. I really like EVA.
Design.
I'm a fan of EVA textures.
Evangelion.
Okay, so how about you, Ashley? Do you have, or what are your comments for this one, or do you have any preferred? Which one is, or which one do you prefer?
I don't know. I prefer this. So for me, though, yeah, durability wise, the design is good in this one. This one is a bit smoother, but it's a bit girly for me. I like it. Not really girly, but the design, since it's smaller than the other one, I think this one is good, and it's hard as well. It's just the texture outside, but I could work on that. What else? I like this one, the zip. Okay, and if you notice, it's I don't know what's this stitch, but um, the design nowadays is when you zip it, it's like it's not really. I forgot the term, guys, but yeah, the zip design nowadays is it's like in the back or back sewn. I don't know. Anyway, so I prefer this one for me. It's generic as well, so you can work on it. Though this one is a bit tricky. Okay, you can put. I also like the design. It's a bulky, it's bulky one, but I feel like it's also durable as what he mentioned. The thing is, let's say for instance, you don't want to use it in putting in the control itself. See, I can just remove this one and put in different things. So on that part, it's a plus for me. Because you can buy it not for the purpose of putting in the controller, but for any purposes, like let's say charger when you go on traveling and some sort of it really can put a lot of things in it. You can put wires and all. Key, that's it. That's it for me.
All right. So, do I still have to tell my comment? But I think you all know that this one is which I prefer better. This one, but
Yeah.
yeah, aesthetic wise, or I mean design wise, I like this one, and also because it's multi-purpose yeah, it's designed for different gamepads. The
Mm.
rugged or this EVA texture is really giving me a plus for this one. Or
Yeah. And
it's hard for me to keep off
see,
from that.
it's a holder, and this one is a bit thicker than the other one. This one is softer.
Problem is, of course, if you want a case that would for a not for a lifetime, but
That would last.
that would last. I am looking to this one. That's why it's hard for me to not to decide on this one.
Yeah, most of our
But for the
cases
design
is this.
wise, still I like this.
It's
But
like a purse.
again, yeah, unfortunately on our setup, the mobile clamp both is having a hard time fitting in on this one.
So you need to remove the clamp before you can put it in. So yeah, that's it for me. Um, Perhaps if you are actually interested in buying it, you can click on the link on the description. And also the price, can we tell them how much is it? Um,
um, I think it's around less than 500, if I'm not mistaken. It's less than 500, not more
yeah,
than.
it's not really expensive, guys. But don't worry, we'll put in the price how much we bought it. We bought it on sale anyway, so you could also try and watch some sale in Lazada.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm playing with the bubble wrap.
Okay, so if you have questions also regarding this product, you can comment on the I mean on the
On
yeah,
the
comment
description,
section.
comment section. So yeah, sorry for the fingers, but yeah, it's down below. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and hope to see you again on next unboxing.
Have a great day.
Bye bye.
Oh, looky, it fits with the clamp. So definitely this is a plus for me.
Okay.